This is the How to Beach channel, and I have a How to Beach story for you from the archives today. When I first moved to Florida about 10 years ago, my wife didn't have a job yet here, and so I lived in Florida by myself, and we used to live in a little house on the other end of the beach, and I was here all alone, but I used to sit on the front porch, and there's a bunch of these condo buildings across the street from me, and as the sun used to go down, they would light up, ching, 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 all the lights would come on, and I used to call it, excuse me, I'm going to drop the phone. I used to call it the lighting of the condos. And I was playing with my drone the other day and I was flying over this condo and I happened to just catch the lighting of the condo perfectly. So I put a little dramatic music to it, I put some sound effects to it, and I'm calling it the lighting of the condos. I'm trying to have a little bit more fun with some of the videos that I'm making here for you guys in 2023. So here's a new fun drone video that I'm calling lighting of the condos. Give it a big like if you like this stuff, and I'll make some more sort of creative stuff for you guys, as well as just the regular like gear reviews and beach reviews that I do. So anyway, without further ado, here is lighting of the condos.